No way! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They did it!
The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay, Ruskin has issued a flash flood warning for Northeastern Polk County and Central Florida until 6 Eastern Daylight Time. For 46 Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Oh my gosh!
Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Point Siena. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida.
No freaking way! Dude!
The Orlando International Climate Summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., July 3rd, 2022. Today's high temperature was 91 degrees. The normal high is 92. The record high is 100 degrees, which was set in 1998. Today's low temperature was 76 degrees.
Dude, you jinxed that! Dude! Oh my gosh! Dude! Dude, Road Safety, you so called that! At 4:20, at first I thought Romeo was just playing his audio to trick us. And then my radio's...
That was me.
Oh, that was you! And then my radio started going off as well. Dude, wait, hold on. Did they relay this?
Yeah, that was me too.
Oh my gosh. Flash flood warning. Dude.
We got a flash flood warning in a while.
Now we got 2. Dude. Oh my gosh.